Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? So I want to bring you another great product. I've used these before in my Honda Accord and I really liked them. But I picked up a set for the MDX here. I like to try different ones because I feel like different mats they're good for different reasons. So I picked up a set of these OEDRO mats. I've showed these before, like I said, in the Honda. They're really great mats. They're affordable. They offer great protection. They have the high walls on them. So if you live in somewhere you get a lot of snow, these are great. So check them out here. What I like about these, you get all three mats too. So you get all three rows as far as the MDX goes. They have them for almost every make and model vehicle. They're great quality. They have a nice rubberized feel, so they're not your hard plastic mat. They use the retainers here from the factory, so they won't slide around on you. They're safe, especially on the driver's side. They have a nice little metal logo here, the protective film that you can take off when you get them. They offer some great coverage, as you can tell, and they go way up under like the accelerator pedal, so you won't get the dirt inside. A really great quality mat, and like I said, it won't break the bank either. So if you live somewhere really dusty, a lot of snow, I would definitely recommend getting something like this. They'll protect your vehicle, especially if you ever go to resell it, help the resale value, keep your carpets clean. Let me go ahead and install these in the vehicle and I'll show you exactly what they look like. So check these out. The car is kind of dirty, but see how they have a nice lip around them? And they use the retainers. They go way up under here, so they'll offer great protection. Which I really like. Like I said, if you ever got stains on the carpet, they're really hard to get out. And the carpets, they ball up really quick when you start scrubbing on them. And here's the second row. Like I said, they use the retaining clips here too, so that's good. They go way up under the seats. So if you have kids, they drop stuff, this will protect it. I highly recommend getting a set of mats. The first thing you should do when you get a vehicle. Carpet ones look nice, but man, if you get something bad stained on there, it's really hard to get out. And then here is the third row, which again, it goes around all the tracks for the seats. It's a really nice quality set. And like I said, they're not your hard plastic mat where your feet are slipping and sliding all over. They have a nice rubberized feel to them. Like I've used them before in my Accord and I really like them. I do. And here you can look at all the coverage for the driver's side. Covers the dead pedal, goes way up under the accelerator and brake. So when little rocks and pebbles and all that kind of stuff fall off, it's not going under the mat, which a lot of the mats, when you lift them up, you still have junk under there. That's the reason. So this goes up on the side. So I really like these. I do. And like I said, they're not going to break the bank either. They're a nice quality set for a moderate amount of money that you're going to pay for. So I'd highly recommend them. If you're interested, guys, check the link in the description. And I've done a lot of reviews on different mats, and like I said, it depends what you're looking for. That's why I like doing different ones, because some will be good for if you never really get dirt in your car, if you live in all these paved areas that you drive on. Certain ones will be better. Like these ones are great if you go in dirt areas, a lot of dust, debris, snow especially, that kind of stuff. You have kids, you want to protect them. Something like this would be more suitable for you. So I like to give you guys some options. That's why I show you guys different ones. So again, if you like, just check the description. You'll find a link there for the OEDRO mats, and they have them for tons of cars. Like I said, Hondas I've liked, and then they just started making them for the Acura as well. So just want to share that with you guys. So again, I hope everyone's having a great day out there, staying safe. I appreciate you guys' feedback. I do. If you have any questions, comments, you can drop them in the comment section below. I'll get back to you. I appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks again, everybody.